All right, I had a company reach out to me, emailed me wanting to know if I wanted to review a induction heater. I said sure, so they sent it to me. So let's get the camera down and get this box opened up and check it out. I'm gonna get this box opened up. Don't really show you much on it, so yeah, let's get it open. I'm assuming that's a manual. Got a bunch of different pieces that goes to it. Different sizes. Now let's see, I don't know if that's the same size as that. No, it's even a little smaller than that one. Just trying to get them all situated here where you can see them all the different sizes. It's pretty cool. Here's the knobs that holds them to the heat gun or whatever you call this thing. What is that, KKSevens? Or something like that. I will say this thing is a lot bigger and beefier than I expected it to be. Pretty cool. So let's get it all hooked up and try to heat up a bolt. Okay, just wanted to show you a little bit closer up. These are the different pieces that hook to it. And of course, these are the knobs that hold these in place. These on one go in here. Wait, over here. And then the knob just goes in there and tightens up, holds it in. I'm pretty sure you can bend these ever how you need them. So it ain't just sticking out straight out of here, right? You can bend it where it's angled. I'm going to read this here instruction book. I'm just going to go over it, skim over it for you. If you need to read anything or want to read anything, just pause the video. I'll show you this side. I guess that's the part number right there, KS1. There's some more specs of it right there. Let me get this thing hooked up and heat up a bolt. Okay, I'm under the truck. You see this bolt right here? Or nut rather? On the exhaust, we're going to try to heat that up and see how it works. As you can hear, when you plug it in, it comes on. And then you just push this button in right here, and it's supposed to heat up. Now, it might take a minute. Let's see if I can get this turned where you might be able to see. See, it's smoking. It's heating it. Hopefully you can see the nut in there. It's getting red. Can you see that? Let me see if I can zoom in some. It didn't really really take that long. All right, let's see if we can do it again. This is in real time now. I can see it already getting red. Y'all see that? That's pretty awesome. I've just released the button. You can see it cooling off now. Did kind of discolor that a little bit. All right, let's get out from under the truck. Okay, well, that's the review of this KKSevens induction heater. All right, now, like I showed, it comes with, or this one did, 4 different size coils. That was 3, and one's on the tool still, and this one. Now, all the other reviews I've seen on YouTube show the tool comes in a plastic carrying case, which is pretty nice, with, you know, the gray foam inserts to hold everything in place, you know, so they ain't all shaking around or bouncing around. And it comes with 2 of each, 2 of these, and 2 of each size of these, which would be 8 different coils and 2 of these. This one did not. I don't understand why. Let me show you. All it came in, you've seen it in the beginning when I was unboxing it. All it came in was this, with this on top. I don't understand why they sent me one just in a cardboard box. I don't understand that. I'm going to have to contact them and see what's going on with that. I do appreciate them sending it to me. I don't know if I mentioned it. I did not pay for this. They sent it to me to review. So thank you very much. I appreciate it. I mean, the case is just a case. The tool is what matters. But it didn't come with all the coils that they normally come with. I don't understand why they cut back like that. I mean, the tool's not very expensive. And if you want to get you one, check the link down there in the description to Amazon. Go to Amazon. These are selling very good on Amazon. These magnetic induction heaters usually sell, you know, for $400, maybe even more, depending on the brand. But this one was only like $180. So it's not a bad price at all if you want to pick up one. And you've seen it heats up pretty good. It doesn't take very long. I appreciate it. I've been wanting to get one of these for a long time, ever since they came out, but they've been just so expensive, I've never really pulled the trigger on one. So I'm kind of glad they reached out to me and wanted to send me one. It would have came in handy when I did the exhaust, and all the exhaust bolts that I did, or any other bolts, stuck bolts that, you know, you run across that you don't really want to use a torch, because you don't want to have an open flame in there. You might melt stuff or catch something on fire or whatever, where one of these little coils will fit in there, depending on the size of the bolt or nut that you're trying to heat up, or whatever you're trying to heat up. This will fit in there and heat that up only. So that's pretty cool. Y'all seen how it worked. It works really good. I was surprised. I'm sure y'all was too. That's all I got for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.